Hi guys, so another package has arrived, which means it's another product review. It is the Shark Powerpro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Join me as I assemble this thing and let's see how powerful this vacuum cleaner is. Let's go! So guys, after testing the Shark Powerpro vacuum cleaner, I'm able to collect this much of dust. So as you can see, it is really a powerful vacuum cleaner. You just use it for 5 or 10 minutes and was able to accumulate this much of dust. Also, with this vacuum cleaner, you can change its head nozzle for you to clean your couch, your sofa, your chairs, and tight spaces as well, which the ordinary or the regular head nozzle can't reach. So overall, the Shark Powerpro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a 10 out of 10. It's a good tool to help you clean your house. Cheap price of just around 150 quid. Miss the opportunity and get yours now. Let's go!